Welcome everyone. Not looking so good. Uh, I'm here for you tonight. I hope you guys are doing well. Uh, we are gonna be checking to what is happening in the charts. I'm really tired to be honest. I had like an really exhausting day. So we are gonna be checking out together what is happening right now in the charts. Bitcoin and the whole crypto market doesn't look good, and it's a reason behind. It's a reason behind. Um, welcome, please. Takes nothing from you, just smash this like button. I do this, guys, just for you. I could easily be on my bed sleeping right here. I want to have like people that they are watching, they are interested to learn what is happening in the market right now. So, guys, thank you for being here. Smash this like button, and we are gonna be technically watching what is happening this evening with Bitcoin and the whole crypto market dumping so far. uh, yeah, we will go through the chart. We will see also what the big picture says. The truth is that, guys, we should see a bounce immediately. Otherwise things are looking extremely horrible. Now, where the bounce is gonna come from after this kind of news? Yes, this is bad because we have seen some news regarding to what is happening with the Bitcoin right now, and of course, like the fact that it's not looking so good regarding the mining. The mining is creating all of these things that you're watching right now, and the fact that as you have seen before, like what Cointelegraph posted, um, and that's like all the news that they are coming from. They are not looking so good, and I hope, I hope that we will see a bounce very soon. Doesn't look something like this right now at this point. um and we are gonna be analyzing a little bit the big picture. Right now things are looking horrible for the crypto market. um so yeah, I'm here so we can check out in the charts. It has been like a major issue regarding the mining and the hash rate. um but I don't really, guys, remember the country where all of this started from. So it would be nice if you are just posting down. Please just smash this like button. Thank you for being here tonight. Things are not looking great. We are gonna be analyzing even more after we broke the 43,900, and I haven't seen any kind of volume technically taking us all the way up despite this kind of wick right here. I'm telling you guys, things are not looking great. Okay. um we should see a kind of savior right here because we have technically broke all the kind of support levels. um so we are here tonight to technically check out what is happening. No matter, guys, if you are shorting, making a lot of money and all this stuff, this is not looking good for crypto. um this is not looking good for crypto because we didn't expect that things should look so ugly tonight. No matter if you are shorting, I have been shorting as well. I have been making money, but this is looking very, very bad. Okay. Like Bitcoin broke to the downside, Ethereum broke to the downside. It's not looking great. We have to reverse very soon if we want to have this kind of leap of faith, the last breath, the thing that brings the dead body from the death, this savior kiss. So we can see Bitcoin maybe going back to what we call even like bullish scenario. Thank you for being here. We are gonna be like analyzing a little bit why things are looking so bad. And I personally, of course, expected that we could see a week. What's the downside? But this week has to reverse very, very soon. I mean, like the time is pressing so much that it makes it so dangerous that you cannot really imagine for what kind of disaster we are talking about. I mean, we could literally see Ethereum breaking down to the 2,800 level. And yes, guys, you should be technically out if you don't want to see this kind of disaster, at least outside from trades. For those that they have been already liquidated, I'm gonna say some things. Please, guys, stop killing yourself with revenge trading. Stop killing yourself with kamikaze trade. I have said this 1,000,000 times. Please, guys, return back to the reality. Stop throwing your money from the window. This is an exit time. If you are still inside, at least try to save what you have. This is not looking good. Okay? Leave the market to breathe. Leave the market to show you a kind of reversal at this point, coming back to what we call descending wedge, okay, or falling wedge, or whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Just the fact that this is horrible right now. Okay. Many of you you are not in this kind of Binance BTC perpetual. I'm watching right here. Many of you are in Gemini that you haven't seen technically this week. So if you haven't seen this week, this means that you are in another trading mode, in another like a pair. So what I want to say is the fact that you should technically take care of this specific time, because this is looking horrible. We are watching lower lows, the one after the other, and we are here to analyze what is happening. Let's go to the bigger time frames at this point. So technically, if you are using the logarithmic chart, you can see that all of this thing is technically broken. That's disaster. Okay, that's disaster. The resistance that turning into support turns again into a resistance again for one more time. Now I see many questions. You guys are speaking for spot wallets. Depends what you are talking about. Okay, if you are long-term holders for Bitcoin, I'm gonna say this plain and simple. If we break these major levels right now, Okay, if you are watching a daily close under 40k, under 30 and 40k, Bitcoin is all the way to the bear market. And don't ask me what does it mean, because I really don't want to tell you. Things are not looking good. I don't know, guys, if you feel bearish and you like it. I just want to tell you something, that the bears are technically the enemies of the market. They are those that they live like parasites. I'm sorry to say that. This means that they are happy that some people are technically losing their whole fortune. So stop believing that being a bear is a good thing, because it's not. Okay, people are losing fortunes. Is not their option. Is not of course is their option, is their opinion, is their want to technically being in the market. But there are some people that they are technically surviving as traders along the market, and it's not good, guys, if you are believing that I'm gonna short and I'm gonna make the most of money. And a good lesson for this and what I'm saying is technically The Big Short, the movie. So it's good if you are going to watch this movie. If you have done this already, you understand what I'm talking about. So things are not looking good, and of course it confirms the fact that we broke this insane major support line towards the downside, and right now we are technically going even lower. We should bounce immediately over 45k to be happy. Any questions, you can just throw them on the chat. I'm gonna try at least to figure out if I can reply your questions. I'm not the god, not your mother. So guys, what I want to say is that things are not looking good, and things are not looking good on the higher time frame. So okay, this is a disaster, with the fact that I didn't expect that this thing could break to what is the downside. One thing to watch at this point is to hold at least this 29 level right here on the daily chart RSI. You can just go open it right here. That's a thing to watch, and the time is pressing so much. If we want to see a leg to what is the upside, that RSI can technically speak about that. If you guys are watching at this point, okay, it says that we could see a last bounce over here that should be technically around the corner, and then a break to what is the upside, confirm, and ciao, see you later. But time is pressing, and as far as I say, the triangles are technically counting what we call time. So this is not far from where we are right now. So within like 14 days we should see breakout on the upper side if we want to be bullish for Bitcoin. This means that breaking this resistance line, one of these should break to the upper side, and the most likely scenario is like you have to break the 46,400 right here, and this could be like a similar scenario to what happened down here. I mentioned in my previous videos as well. So that's like the whole thing, but it's horrible the fact that we technically broke the downside. Why? Let's go a little bit further to find out what's the thing right here. Okay, so what I'm going to technically mention, I'm gonna clean up my chart and I'm gonna be showing you what I can see right here. If you are going to pull these levels at this point on the fib levels, you see very nicely that the 43,900 was the 0.618. So this is one of the major levels to watch. This is one of the major levels that it should hold no matter what. Okay, so also the major resistance line, as I said before, should come at this point and become again support. This is not looking great for anyone. Any kind of fake out would be a very nice scenario for the bulls. What we see at this point, UTC time, in 1 hour and 50 minutes from now, we should see a leg to what is the upside, breaking at least the 44,500. We have to reverse. We have to reverse, and this is emergency. Otherwise, Bitcoin is ready for the horrible scenario and the disaster. Now, the market is technically showing with scary moves the opposite result most of the times. That's what I'm expecting, a last shakeout of the last shakeouts. That's why I'm here and I'm standing on my feet, not closing my spot positions, and I'm speaking about spot positions. So that's why I'm standing right here and I'm saying that I want this fake out right here, right now. It's $1,000 over of where we are at this point. If you are going to watch also the crypto market cap, also down very much. Things are not looking great. I say this again and again. I need this leap of faith. We have to go over 44.5 to start feeling that this support is technically still working. Right now the support doesn't work. Okay, so we have to see this pretty much as fast as possible so we can start having hopes again, and of course see this kind of leap of faith, the last breath for Bitcoin and Ethereum and the whole crypto market. Let's go take a breath. I'm coming back for you. We are going to be also checking out what is happening with Ethereum. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah. Maybe you have seen what I'm actually planning right here. Maybe you understood, some of you. Maybe you are here as a professional traders or not. We're gonna be speaking. What is this? 18,293. Yeah, many people are getting afraid, but as traders we see what we call reality. Okay, so the reality, it is pretty much hard, and the truth even worse when we see what is happening in the charts and is not looking great. Well, you would say that this is a catastrophic scenario and that I am exaggerating. Well, I don't really care what I say. I don't care about my opinion, guys. It's not my opinion, it's not anything, it's what the chart shows. You like it, you don't like it, it's fine for me. I don't care, I'm not here for that. So thank you for being here. Please smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications, so you guys get the fresh content and not our opinion. So what the chart says is everything here. We are gonna be technically watching this horrible scenario. You like it or not? I don't. However, you don't care about what I believe and what I say regarding my opinion. So this is a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. For most of you professional traders or not, head and shoulder pattern is one of the most crazy patterns that I trade. What you need is 4 touching points, and yes, we have all of them. In some cases this is broken, in some other cases this is not. Why I'm saying that is because of this wick that we have seen right here on this candlestick. Technically breaking all the way down. Some other cases this is far away, so we haven't seen technically right shoulder yet. However, we should be prepared for any kind of scenario. This was the X point and this is technically broken. Now how do we count, okay, this head and shoulder pattern? We are gonna be actually checking out right here right now, and we will do some kind of session right here where we are gonna be speaking about what exactly is happening in this case. Okay, so as far as you can see, I have been counting to what is the head to the neckline, then the break all the way down, okay, from where we technically broke to the downside. So this is taking me further to what is the 15.6. You will say that maybe I'm crazy and all this stuff, but I am not the one that is technically speaking. This is what the chart says. It's not about me. I don't really care about my opinion when I'm trading. And this is what you should do as well. You should remove any kind of emotion, and of course you should trade as pros, okay, as pros. So now we are struggling right here. This is a very bad scenario. We haven't seen any kind of wick yet. The wicks have technically been filled up right here. As far as you can see, there is nothing that holds Bitcoin from dumping even further. And of course this can easily take weeks or years. Be ready. Bear market could be around the corner. Things are not looking great We said it before, and yes, we should we should be cautious of the whole thing right here, right now. Shorts or longs, we are traders, we are gonna be here technically long or short in market. Right now I took a very nice short trade after I got stopped in my long position on Ethereum. I explain all of that in my tweets, so go right there and check my tweets. I have been really open to everyone, replying people, and I'm trying to show as much as I can without any kind of reward back to people, so they are not scared. I am a person that I technically try not only to receive what the God gives me, and also to give away as much as I can. And that not to be like a good guy and all of this, but is because of my history and what I have been through. So you might not care about my personal stuff, but I'm here to take care of people as much as I can, because every time you give something, you get something better back. Okay, so we are gonna be checking out right here what is happening. Looks bad from the fact that we don't technically retrace. We should see a retrace very soon. We said it before, we say it again now. And of course, guys, if you have any kind of wonders, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. I see like the chart rolling. Yes, things are actually looking dumpy. Yeah, so of course, like it's not looking so good regarding to what happened with the hash rates and the Bitcoin mining tonight, and that's why we have this damp, like most likely a capitulation phase. Miners are getting like enforced to sell, most likely. A very nice indicator that you should watch, guys, right here, maybe I can close that one, is what the hash ribbons has to say. Let me check right now. Oh yeah, okay, so we are pretty far from that, but we could see very soon maybe a capitulation phase, and we should see like a fast dump towards the downside in case this doesn't break all the way up. Let's see if the bullish divergence could technically play out. Yeah, we have some space left, but I would like to see a bounce over here, as I explained many times. This kind of head and shoulder should fake out in case we want to see some good stuff at this point. Let me check a little bit what is happening with DXY. Okay, DXY is technically have bounced over this point the last days, and maybe it would be about time to confirm and break towards the downside. And this should be actually the most bullish thing for Bitcoin in the whole like stock market. I see many questions about the stock market, guys. What I'm gonna be actually checking out is what is happening with Nasdaq. Okay, so this was the break towards the downside. It's not looking so good. So yeah, I don't like that, but yeah, the support actually is here. It's here. So guys, Nasdaq is not looking so crazy. Of course, if this is going to break towards the downside, okay, I just checked out right now on the daily. The support of the RSI is technically broken. That's bad. That's bad. So this triangle, bro, to what's the downside? Jesus Christ. Okay, okay. That's not looking good, guys. That's not looking good. Let's see if this insane actually oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Well, as far as you can understand, if this is about to break towards the downside, we could face one of the most insane things in the global history, like it happened 1929, what we call global depression. That's actually crazy, and it can take 3 to 5 years for a recovery. I didn't expect that so early, to be honest, but it's really not looking great. Well, you know, this is the phenomenon of the butterfly, so things can really look sketchy. We should see a break towards the upside for the Bitcoin price. Let's go to the Ethereum a little bit to check out what is happening in the chart. So I have been checking out the 3-day chart for the Ethereum. That's not the good chart. Yeah, okay. So this is my sample, guys. This is something I mentioned. This is from December 2018, one of the most insane trading plans I have right here, and that's why I'm not out of my Ethereum spot position. Maybe you will call me crazy, but I'm not going to do anything until I see the support line of the RSI breaking towards the downside. And this can take long, okay? It's not far, but it's not looking, for me, disaster until we break towards the downside of this insane support on the 3-day chart for the Ethereum. So I'm actually accumulating more Ethereum. No matter what is happening, I believe that Ethereum can lead to Bitcoin, and we could see very fast a break towards the upside. So there are rules, so you can technically buy and accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you should focus on the technicals and learn what it is to be professional trader. If you really want to do that, you can just go on our CryptoMinder academy.com page, and you can of course lead your life and of course work with the best professional traders, instructors in the academy to become professional trader. Why I'm saying that, guys, when you are technically working on something, you want to become good to what you're doing, I believe that trading is one of the best solutions in your life, that it doesn't have any kind of ceiling. There is no roof. You can just go to the sky and skyrocket your portfolio of your real life. Okay, so that's what we are doing. Market is falling, market is growing. Bull or bear market is technically, it should be technically the same for the trader. Bad or good, you like it or not. Thank you for being here, everyone. Please smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications. By the way, I'm gonna try to continue the giveaways on the Twitter page, so just go follow and of course make some noise for everyone to understand that we are here to make people happy as much as we can. The CryptoMinder Academy page is actually very active. We have trained today more and more people. I don't want to say the number is actually crazy. And we are here for everyone to actually support. You can go join the Telegram group. You can find everything in the pinned comment section down below, everything about what we are doing, Discord and everything. You can just go ask people that they have attended the academy, because they are our real reference. Okay, so for what we are doing, we will not come in contact with you guys anywhere. I've seen a lot of scams. People have been sending me also, like yesterday, there are some scams that they are going here and there. They try to get your money. Guys, we will never ask you for money. We will never ask you for anything. Instead, we are giving what we have in our pockets to make you happy. Okay, so thank you for being here tonight. We are gonna be checking out also what I'm talking about in the shorter time frames regarding the Ethereum price. Okay, we are back. We are back here. We are gonna be joining for a little bit more. We are gonna be speaking about what is happening regarding the Ethereum on the shorter time frames. By the way, guys, if you like this kind of music, is actually from the Crypto Miner on Trading. This is the list that you will get in the pinned comment section down below. You can just find it on Spotify, and you can technically day trade as much as you want. A very nice playlist we made, so we can follow you not only to what the money has to say, but also your ears. So you can get the playlist right here. Nice music, chill or not, it helps a lot regarding to what we are doing on trading. So Ethereum right here, we saw a very nice bounce over this trend line that goes that comes right here. As far as you can see, it's back from what November 1st started from. So we have seen a very nice support right here. Is holding very nicely. So that was actually the level that I was checking out, and I was also working on. And to be honest, I opened a long trade in this case right here. I said I'm staying out of my trades regarding Bitcoin, but the tight stop loss is actually helping a lot at this point. So I don't really care if I'm gonna lose some money right here. Of course, I'm not trading a capital like 1 million, but I open a small position, some thousands, so I can hold right there. I don't really mind if this is going to take me down or anything. So I am here to show you that as long as we are holding this beautiful support, I have nothing like to be worried about regarding the Ethereum price. I love the fact that I am here, I'm standing on my feet, and I haven't been like opening any kind of trades because I saw that something goes wrong. I had some open trades, I got stop loss. So I love the fact that the stop loss is there to take me out in case I'm doing kamikaze trades. I just know that I have to shut down the PC and leave the place. So what I wanted to tell you guys is that with the Crypto Miner Academy, you don't just learn how to trade, you learn what we call psychological trading. People can confirm that it's not about the insane things we are watching or what we have been technically collecting all these years. These 10 first sessions is technically what I was trying to learn for 4 years that I threw in the trash. I wish I had myself as an instructor to show me, no matter what I had to pay. So I would suggest it. We are fighting so hard for this thing. We never leave anyone unsatisfied in the academy. CryptoMinerAcademy.com. You can find everything right there. Some things are happening in the crypto world, and especially like regarding like YouTubers and stuff. So I have a friend. His name, for most of you, it's well known. His name is CryptoFace. So he's technically the creator of what we call Market Cipher today. And I didn't like a move because another YouTuber, you can find everything in my Twitter account, cheated on what he technically made to sell it, because he is technically failed in what he's doing all these years. So the other guy, not CryptoFace of course, that is the creator, made this thing that is not really good, doesn't honor anyone. So I didn't like this move, and I just wanted to mention that. So let's go now to check out what is happening right here. RSI have bottomed really much. I'm gonna be opening also what we call the Williams R. That it helps me a lot. It's a very nice indicator. Let me check out. It's right here. Let me check if this works. Yeah, it's pretty much okay. So technically bottomed as well. We should see a kind of double bottom scenario playing out, so we can be technically satisfied with the whole chart at this point for the Ethereum. A double bottom scenario could come and retrace to the approximately like 3,430, and yes, this could be actually a nice entry, I would say, but of course you have to see, guys, what the market has to say. So yeah, as far as you can see, 3,521, we've bounced at this point. That's very nice and bullish. Don't get very excited if we are jumping over to what it is, the 3,616. We can just dump again all the way down. Is a very common scenario, and this is happening very, very often. So I think I give you some answers regarding that, and I hope you appreciate the content by smashing this like button. It's pretty late right here, so I'm thinking very much that it would be a very nice opportunity for me to get some rest. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being CryptoMinder everywhere. Following, you can just go join the Telegram chat for free. Everything is free except the Academy, guys. The Academy is the only thing that technically takes a lot of time and effort. The courses are one-to-one. We never do classes, and I hope you guys enjoyed very much. Now yeah, I have a last message. Bullish divergence. The bullish divergence are actually on the higher time frames. Let's go a little bit on the 15-minute chart. If you are mentioning this kind of divergence right here, then well, Williams R is actually showing something good at this point. Yes, that's bullish divergence right now for the 15-minute time frame. Also yeah, the 45 minutes is, yes, okay. Here we have some bullish divergence regarding the Ethereum price. Let's go to the Bitcoin a little bit to check out. Yeah, okay, so yeah, those are technically mentioned them before. I mentioned them before. Oh, okay, that's not looking so good. Yeah, okay, that's looking good. This is looking good. This is the 2-hour time frame. That's a very nice bullish momentum coming in from the RSI. Lovely, lovely. So we should see a bounce, but as I said to you before, guys, the bounce should happen very, very fast. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications. See you in the next one. CryptoMinder. Bye bye.
We don't really know.